Welcome to my channel. If you drive a car, this is the place for you. You know that car guy that everybody calls in the neighborhood when they have car problems? That's me. I literally just got a phone call from my neighbor while I was making this video that his car broke down. He wants me to come tow him in. But it's been that way since I was a kid. I want to be that guy for you. I have a 50-year career in the automotive industry, and I'm also a car enthusiast. This channel is where you can get great advice on one of your biggest investments, your car. Also on this channel, we talk about anything car related, anything from getting your car repaired to even getting a job at a dealership. Eddie & Service is entertaining, educational, and it's safe for the whole family. If you drive a car, you're in the right place. Now, I need you to take that first step, hit the subscribe button, and you'll join a huge community of car people that helps each other. Everybody has a guy. They got electrical guys, plumbing guys, accounting guys. I want to be your car guy, Eddie & Service.